rewarding na sa lahat ng mga magtotoo. So, kung karon pa ka makatungog nini, this is your first time to hear. This is it. We have a rewarding ceremony right after the rapture. The rapture occurs one split second. Just one wink of an eye. Karon, panagitan karon, human na to nini. The rapture will happen. One na ta. See? Unsay gisulti sa 1 Thessalonians 4:16, 17, the Lord himself shall descend from heaven with a shout, with the voice of the archangel, and the trumpet of God, and the dead in Christ shall rise first, and that we who are alive and remain shall be caught up together with them in the clouds to meet the Lord in the air. Anal siya sa panganon. Di pa siya mo tunob din sa yuta. Mutunob siya sa yuta during the second coming.